With Christmas just around the corner, it's the perfect time of year to get that special grower in your life the gifts that they really want. In this video, we're going to discuss the top Christmas gifts for indoor growing that's under $100 from Mars Hydro. But first, before we get into the video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel and help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Alright, let's get into the video. The first gift for the grower in your life is the TS1000 LED grow light. The TS1000 comes in at $99.99. It has a pull of 150 watts from the wall, has a veg coverage of 2.5 by 2.5 feet, and a flower coverage of 2 feet by 2 feet. Some of its other features are it's dimmable, it has daisy chain capability, and strong heat dissipation. It's a great light for a small space and a beginner grower. Gift number 2 is the VG80. 80 watts, 4 feet, LED T5 grow light. The VG80 is designed for seedlings, clones, and vegetable propagation, offering wide coverage and low power consumption. It features a full spectrum, uses OSRAM chips, and has an IP60 waterproof rating. It pulls 80 watts from the wall, has a core coverage of 4 feet by 2 feet, and is recommended for a tent of 120 by 60 centimeters. The VG80 comes in at $89.99. Gift number 3 is a UR45 LED grow light for ultraviolet and infrared supplementation. This gift comes in at $79.99. The reason for supplementation of UV and IR with white light is to help induce flowering and sleeping periods, increase leaf area, improve plant nutritional quality, and stimulate biomass production. This one might have to go on my list for this year.
I need it!
Gift number 4 is a small grow tent. There are actually 5 to choose from. You can get a 2x2 by 3, a 2x2 by 4.5, 2.3 by 2.3 by 5.3, a 2.6 by 2.6 by 5.3, and a 4x2 by 5.9. The prices range from $79.99 to $89.99. Mars Hydro Grow Tents features stable metal frames to support up to 110 pounds. The tear-proof 1680D Oxford fabric prevents light leakage and is lined with 98% reflective mylar to enhance light intensity. Gift number 5 is a heating mat and seed trays. The heating mat comes in at $39.99 and the seed trays come in at $18.99. The heating mats use far infrared radiation to provide a soft and long-lasting warmth, perfect for seed starting and cutting propagation. They are covered by double PVC insulated waterproof layers and installed with overheating protection. The seed trays serve as mini nurseries, providing an ideal environment for germination. Gift number 6 is the Mars Hydro iFresh 6-inch Smart Inline Duct Fan. This fan comes in at $85.99. It has a 402 cubic feet per minute rating. It has a noise level of 32 decibels, and you can control it with your smart app, which you can control from wherever you are. Gift number 7 is one of my favorites, the Clip Fan. I love these things, very powerful and very quiet. The fans come in at $34.99. They come in at 6 inches and have a max airflow of 315 cubic feet per minute. They have 3 different speeds ranging from 985 RPM, 1571 RPM, and 2181 RPM. They also come with an adjustable head tilt. They're great for airflow and cooling off your tent. Gift number 8, Growroom Glasses. These come in at $19.99. I'm just as guilty as the next guy. I never wear mine. I should. I should be protecting my eyes. I should be wearing them, and you should be too. Gift number 9 is a drip irrigation kit for 8 plants. This comes in at $89.99. This really helps you to regulate your indoor watering. This is great if you happen to be away from your garden for long periods of time, or if you're like me, getting old, always have a sore back.
It makes my spine like a...
It helps with that too. And last but not least, gift number 10. The Mars Hydro 5-gallon DWC Hydroponic Kit, which comes with 2 buckets. This comes in at $89.99. This kit includes a pump, air stone, and water level device. Everything you need for vibrant, healthy plants. Perfect for beginners and experts. So that's the top 10 gifts for under $100. Let me know in the comments which gift you like best. Don't forget at checkout, you can use my promo code TAPROOTSGROWING and save yourself a little bit of money off your order. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel and help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Have yourself a terrific holiday, enjoy your time with family and friends, and bring a little peace into the world. Until next time, peace.